Hey there, there's one piece of equipment that I haven't gone over yet that I carry with me, and that's my dope bag. Keep in the pack, obviously. It's pretty low maintenance. I don't carry a lot. As you can see, it's rather small. I got it all packed into a little Eagle Creek bag. See if I can get this up here on the camera. I got a better shot when I unpack it. There we go. So it's a little Eagle Creek dope bag. It's pretty small. I used to just carry everything in a Ziploc bag. I updated. So let's take a peek and see what I carry. And it's pretty low end, shall we say. Okay, I've upgraded from my Ziploc bag to this nice Eagle Creek packet. It's a nice small bag. I like the form factor. It's easy to pack up because it's so small, and I don't need much. Let's go ahead and unpack this guy and see what I've got inside. Okay, let's start with probably the least interesting thing I carry with me, which is soap. Yeah, soap. This actually isn't as much for my body as we could use it in the shower, but it's actually more for washing my wool. This is a little Matador soap bag, and I keep a Bravo Sierra gentle soap bar in here. I can wash a lot of clothes with this soap bar, but it's not particularly exciting. I do like this little Matador bag because it folds up really easy. I've never had it leak. Keeps my bag dry and everything inside nice and tight. Moving on to also not particularly exciting for me, but for everyone around me, I appreciate it, deodorant. Now this is interesting. These pills are my toothpaste. So these are little tooth tablets that you can put in there, crush in your mouth, use as toothpaste to brush your teeth. The big advantage, as you might guess, is they're not liquid. And neither is the gel. I always keep gel or a solid, not a gel or a liquid deodorant. So neither one of these are liquid, so TSA doesn't flag them. That makes my life a little easier through TSA. So I don't always carry this in my dope kit, but I usually have a couple of these in my sling bag. These are these little towels that expand when wet, form up to pretty nice big wipes. They're handy for all sorts of various things. And besides that, I keep this little titanium cone in my dope kit. This is all my hair needs is a small comb, and I am good to go. Okay, this is actually a little bit more interesting. This is the Norelco 365 one blade hybrid trimmer for shaving and beard. It does a pretty good job trimming up my goatee. It comes with several attachments. The one there is kind of a bodyguard attachment. I actually keep that on so I don't poke a hole in my kit. It does have a nice handy little beard trimmer, adjustable, and I use that the most. It can actually be used as an electric razor. It's not a very good electric razor, but it can be used in a pinch. I have no idea what this one's for. I just keep it with me. And it comes with an extra shave head. So this is good. I like it so far, although like I said, it's not a very close shave. So for a close shave, I just keep a Gillette blade with me and some spare blades, and that works far better. It's pretty fast. But in a pinch, you can use the other for an electric razor. I also have a electric toothbrush. Now this is a pretty cool Philips electric toothbrush. It vibrates while brushing your teeth like most of these do. It does really a pretty good job. It's slender and it travels easy. What I like the most about it is it comes with a charger that fits both the razor, which is also Philips Norelco razor, and the toothbrush. So now I have two chargers, a main and a spare. Leave a spare at home usually, and they're plug into USB-A. And so now I can charge this on the go with my battery or my other adapters, and I'm happy to share stuff like that and reduce adapters I need to carry. So as you can see, I don't have a ton of stuff. Scooch it all together. It's TSA friendly with no liquids. It's USB for the electrics. Keeps my life easy. I like it, and all fits in that handy little bag. So as you can see, I don't carry too much, but I don't need too much. I don't have much hair. Got no makeup or anything. I just need a razor, toothbrush, and a few other things, and I'm good to go. And this is it. If you'll notice, I've got nothing liquid in this bag. It's all solid, which helps with TSA. And that keeps my life simple. Hopefully I'll see you out on the road and talk to you later. Take care. Bye.